Here's me attempting to do the butterfly layers that you see all over Instagram right now. Let's see if I can do it. Started following my Royal Crown on Instagram. Go check him out. And he said to section off the hair, and so I followed his instructions and started chopping away at the front section. So step one was just bringing these front sections forward, over directing them and cutting it at an angle. You can see I'm not cutting too much off. I think I cut off about an inch, maybe inch and a half. And you can see right there, I'm like, noticeably longer on one side. So I'm like, how did that happen? So now I'm like trying to figure it out. So I'm seeing if I brought the same amount of hair forward from the ear, and I'm like, still, how am I gonna fix this? So I'm measuring, look, I'm like, okay, yep. Oh, maybe this side has a little bit less. I eventually just cut off that bottom to match the one side that was shorter, is what I ended up doing. But it looked significantly longer, as you can see. Started bringing all the hair from each side forward in smaller sections and just cut where the guideline was in the front. And when I made sure the front was even again, you just bring all the hair forward, kind of down the middle, both sides come forward, over direct, and you cut from where your guideline is. He explains it really nicely, so go check him out. Now I'm working on this whole section. We'll see how it goes. Created a top guideline. He, again, explains this really well, and went through the whole top in just small sections, over directing it and kind of raising it up at a 45-degree angle. I was a little nervous here of cutting it too short. Wish me luck. Okay, I just finished. We'll go blow dry in style and see how it turned out. So here's the after I cut my hair. It's got these beautiful layers. I did some Velcro rollers to give it some volume, but like, look at all these layers. Just nicely going back. That's going back too. This is long. I put it in a ponytail. Like, how pretty is that? Highly recommend if you have the guts to cut your hair by yourself. It can be really awesome. Just take the plunge.